Hey guys, welcome back to Jamaican Princess, and today I'll be teaching about the Lighten Up Plus Lightening Body Lotion, result in 7 days. So stay tuned until this end of the video. Please like, share and subscribe. So guys, I notice a lot of people be complaining about their knuckles, their elbows and their knee cups that is dark, especially when you're bleaching, and those areas are so hard to come perfect like your skin tone. So this product, the Lighten Up Lightening Body Lotion, it works in space of 7 days, but you have to use it wise as well, because you're going to use a gel with it. You're not just going to use it alone. And you know, the knuckles and the knees are parts of your body that is very stubborn to bleach. I don't know why, but I don't have a problem with my knuckles when I am bleaching, right? But some people have that problem, so I'm recommending this product. So guys, any product that you use, I always suggest you use the oil on your skin before you use any form of bleaching product on your skin, because you don't want to have stretch marks, and I do not want none of my subscribers have stretch marks from the products, right? Stretch marks is natural, especially when you gain weight and lose it, or you have a child or something. But bleaching can also cause stretch marks. So you want to protect your skin using oil. Yes, using oil to, not olive oil. First of all, let me tell you, do not use no olive oil on your skin while bleaching, because if you use that I am telling you that bleaching not reach no time. That more for make your stop bleach. So if you want to stop bleach your skin, you can use olive oil. That is for sure. So thank you so much for reaching the end of my video. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a family to subscribe. I have more videos in my platform. You can go ahead and check them out. And also remember, don't forget to use a good oil, bio oil. If you want to know about the bio oil, it's in my video platform. You can go over and watch it. I have more videos tomorrow, so come back tomorrow, okay? Remember, come back tomorrow. I don't have a specific time, but I'll be here. Bye guys.